Replacing the air filter on your lawnmower protects the engine, restores performance, and it's so easy every homeowner should install a new filter in the spring. Most walk power mowers feature Briggs & Stratton, Honda, Kohler, or Toro engines. Most of these engines don't require tools to replace the air filter. The cover features tabs. Simply depress the tabs and the air filter is removed. Always clean the air filter cover of grass and debris. And even larger Kohler and Kawasaki engines found on riding mowers can be replaced without any special tools. Each air filter is unique and specifically designed for your lawnmower. The Mower Shop makes it simple to find the genuine part you need. Simply enter the model number and the phrase air filter to shop our website or visit our store with your model number.